Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's Commodities Market Update with Jateen Trivedi. I am Senior Research Analyst with LKP for Commodities. This week again on the second week of New Year 2022, the market is looking quite range bound and a little bit on the negative side for the bullions market, especially carrying the trend of last week, where the bullions prices have seen a weakness trend on back of better non-farm payroll data and also the outlook of the riskier markets looks bright, as we have seen the equities performing, the crude oil market also performing quite well. There is a strong sell of, I would say not strong, but at least there is some profit booking and no fresh buying being witnessed into the bullions market as of now. Till the time the prices are trading below 1805 on the spot, the bullions market looks a little bit resilience crossing those levels and trading positively. Whereas on the lower side, 1775 to 1770 will also act as a supportive measure. So one can be looking at the range bound trend between 1770 to 1805 onto the gold prices. Now, the crude oil market also looks quite on the positive side, but it is right now trading at a resistance point near 5900 to 6000 zone, where the Brent also will face a stiff resistance near $82 to $83. On the lower side, the crude oil prices will take support around 5700 to 5600, and this range can continue for the second week of January. Now, the prices look a little bit positive, but one should be waiting for good levels to enter on the lower side near 5700 to 5750. On the higher side, as I said, 5950, 5900 to 6000 will face a stiff resistance onto the MCX prices. The limelight for this week looks like the natural gas prices, as we have seen a strong gap up opening of around 5% into the natural gas prices. Now, the prices will take a good amount of momentum going ahead if and all the prices start trading above 310, as we have seen 1 month of basing range between 270 275 on the lower end and 310 on the higher end. So once the prices of natural gas start trading about 310, it can smartly rally towards the levels of 325 to 330 quite easily. For this week's update, it looks like the natural gas prices should be in strong momentum and should be the pick of the week for the commodities this week. On the base metal front, aluminum prices also look positive, and overall, from all the base metal packs, the aluminum prices have been, consistently rising on the higher side, and looks like the aluminum prices should be in momentum. At the lower levels, 228 to 227 will act as a very strong supportive zone for aluminum prices, and whereas on the higher side, 234 to 236 will act as a resistance point. But overall, this commodity is strongly into the positive measure. So this is about it from me, guys, on the commodities market update for this week. Stay tuned, stay safe, wear your masks, get your vaccines, stay home. It is strongly advisable that as much as possible stay home. The third wave, we should not be taking it very lightly. Even though if everyone is vaccinated, I strongly suggest that people should take preventive measures to avoid any mishaps. Thank you for listening. Hope to catch you all next week again. Stay tuned. This is Jateen Trivedi signing off.